Hello and welcome to today's webinar from Chaos to Control, implementing SolidWorks PDM with MLC CAD Systems. My name is Roland and I'm one of the technical solutions managers here at MLC. Over the many years that I've been here, I've really helped customers focus on streamlining their engineering workflows and unlocking their full potential of their SolidWorks investment through tools like PDM and the other data management solutions. So let's dig right into it. When managing organizations, specifically technical organizations, there's many challenges that comes with creating massive amounts of data. So what happens when we're not using a PDM tool? File duplication and overwriting changes is always one of the big key contributor factors when somebody starts looking at PDM. Managing revisions and ensuring that we're not losing any history or overwriting history by others when collaborating is a challenge that always comes up the second you have more than one user. Controlling who has access to the data. Here at MLC CAD Systems, we like to say making sure the right people have the right data at the right time is always something that is on the forefront of our mind. Being able to have traceability and have actually granular workflows that ensure drawings, parts, and assemblies are getting reviewed by the key players in the project when that time is appropriate. And last but certainly not least, wasting time finding files, verifying that they're truly the latest, greatest revision, and that there's not embedded in some folder structure that we don't have access to. These are just some of the main contributing frustrations that we see when people are not using a data management system.